Iceland. I'm in a designated smoking area, so I've never been here before. Unfortunately, I was supposed to leave at 7:30 a.m. It's around 6 a.m. right now. And so my flight's delayed till 9:30 a.m. So hopefully I make a 2-hour Guinness reservation at 5:45 Ireland time. So I made it. I'm in Dublin. I'm backpacking. And now I gotta walk to my best friend's house to meet everyone. I'm excited. It's such a vibe here and everyone is so nice. I'm kind of obsessed.
Oh my god, I really...
We're trying Supermax.
You got... This is my first time. Wow, it smells healthy. Did you guys like the pubs last night?
I did.
Temple Bar, so you have
First Irish full breakfast.
burrito. This looks like diabetes. What plate are you on? I just bought this in the airport because I left my Pokemon at Karen's house.
Look at all of us with our backpacks. Say hi. What are you guys looking forward to on this trip?
Split. The city.
Gotta get the content. So we made it. We made it.
Let's see if I...
First impression's very good. Let's see how the rest of the night goes. Yes. This is the Airbnb.
I got a juice shirt. I need a juicy shirt too, not gonna lie. And the jeans skirt.
And this is a fridge. It's a pretty cool fridge though. Yeah. Bathroom. Yeah. Croatia.
I know, so take a picture of mine.
Rose gelato.
The strawberry Dubai chocolate.
We ended up at a party,
You done? With the scenery on my head. I think this place is better than this place is better than Split.
So we're hiking in the Croatian wilderness to get to the beach.
Yes.
How do you feel about it?
I am so down. I'm so excited. And we're gonna get nude. I think East is nude Croatian.
So let's hope it's really a nude beach, or else we're breaking the law, I guess. He's looking at someone.
Guys, he looks mad.
Wow.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Wow. Does look good, kid.
Wow. Damn.
All of this is included for $9.
9 euros.
€9.
$9. Those are so.
Yeah, I've been low-key like documenting like everything. Look at this. Is this an aqueduct? Bye, Croatia.
Let's do this.
Yeah, this thing is like the most confusing setup. There's like so many lines. Like this is. Oh. Yeah, look, it's kind of like New York City. That's not bad, right?
No, you did good.
Hey, lady.
Wait, there's keys right there. What are those keys? Are those keys inside?
Oh, wait, why did she need to come? She didn't kill us?
Does she want to meet us? Maybe you told her you were lost.
Oh my god, little oranges.
I actually don't know what that is.
I don't think. Oh, I don't think these are oranges. Maybe a pear.
It looks like one of those like tropical fruits.
Smell this rose. Beach.
They literally meant to go
Not walking around the city.
But we should have learned from that
Sure.
girl. I don't know why. Wait, weren't we the last to leave?
Bro, they were not supposed to. There's gotta be a lock for this. Oh, we gotta call that chick right now.
Anchovies, fried anchovies.
I was saying it kind of feels like a New York City vibe here. So
Yeah, it did make me feel like New York City.
You guys are so funny. Pick it up, boomerang.
I wish we could get like stamped by them.
it was really impressive. I'm not blinded right now.
I'm gonna get another one. Come on,
Guys,
get a
we walked.
Bucket di basse verso Rattagan, poi Scardaccione, Carona.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Yeah, we got, wait, should we hear it all?
We're here again. Wait, I love this.
day.
Can I take a little pic?
Wow.
Oh my god, Italy, like we know how to drive on the same side of the road.
Pizza. Pizza. Miami.
Oh, I keep forgetting this video.
We have French Red Hot Hero. This is really cool. Yeah. I guess this is like a fireplace. We finally arrived in 𝖕𝖑𝖆𝖊, Ireland. It's very cute. Ooh, as I almost fell. Okay, so we made it to our hostel. I'm gonna talk really quietly because it's not very soundproof here. But this is the meal I got. My friend recommended me to try the milk. I got pesto because I wasn't sure. Then I got this from a gas station, and it was literally only $7.99. Water. So I'm eating a late night meal in 𝖕𝖑𝖆𝖊, Ireland. Oh my god, guys, look! Look! Oh, they're all coming out! Hi, bud. Oh my god.
You know, it's funny how they act like they don't eat when you probably just. Oh shit! Look up there.
Oh no. It's very cool.
Wow, that looks good. Wow. I'm so glad we went with the island.
Yeah, I don't think I fully recovered either, to be honest.